Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And every episode of We Love Hakka, we introduce ourselves, we say hello to people. How about, let's say you haven't met someone in a long time. Of course, we would say 好久不见 or long time no see. 在英文常常我们也会用这个好久不见，就这样子直译过去哦。Long time no see. How are you? Let's teach you how to say that in full, okay?
按久冇看到，
按久冇看到，
就是好久不见。
好久不见。按久 that's mean a long time haven't seen you. And then the answer is 对啊，你好吗? That's right. How are you?
错啊，好冇。
错啊，好冇. Okay, that means yes. How are you? And of course, maybe you reply 很好啊。那你呢? That means I'm fine. How about you?
懂好啊，喏。
懂好啊，喏。
那海陆腔懂好啊，你呢？
懂好啊，你呢? Okay, so there's two different dialects right here. One is 懂好啊，喏, and the other one is 懂好啊，你呢? Those are two different dialects for saying very good. How about you? All right. 这在英文的课本也常常都是会教这个字形嘛，对不对？ How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? 一样的道理。But maybe sometimes 其实有的时候也不是真的那么 fine 啊，只是还好嘛。I'm just so-so. Okay? 所以就说还可以，没什么特别。So-so, nothing special going on.
杭州的。
杭州的。
冇乜嘅。
冇乜嘅。
貼撇嘅。
貼撇嘅。再講一次。
杭州的冇乜嘅貼撇嘅，
杭州的冇乜嘅貼撇嘅，
杭州的冇乜嘅貼撇嘅。
哇，这个是要证明说你很会讲客语才会这样回答，对不对？
很像绕口令。
But it's interesting if you want to be more specific, not just saying 杭州的 that means so-so, but you want to say nothing special going on. Special 特别就是
貼撇。
貼撇 Okay, that's special. Or there's another way of saying so-so, and that's 马马虎虎, which literally means horse, horse, tiger, tiger. Perhaps you've heard that before, okay? 怎么说呢？
马马虎虎。
Oh, this is much easier. 马马虎虎。以后so-so就是这样子讲啦。
马马虎虎。千万不要叫我妈妈。
But again, literally, it means horse, horse, tiger, tiger, which in Chinese and Hakka, it all means so-so. All right, let's review this dialogue. 好久不见. Long time no see.
按久冇看到。
按久冇看到. And finally, yes, how are you?
錯啊，好冇。
錯啊，好冇. Now you know how to reply someone when they ask you this. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太家。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.